Okay, so good evening, my professional colleagues. Nice to see you again. So I've already created the videos on how to create taxpayer ID, but I noticed that the video was removed by the platform. I think it was against the policy because I really did the video in details from the beginning. I have to put all the details, and I was able to generate that tax ID live on that video. But I was unable to upload it again. Each time I try to upload, they are rejecting it. So that's why I need to do something again, because I just want to pass this knowledge to everyone for free of charge as usual. All you just have to do is to subscribe and share, and then join our training that is coming up in June and December. Or you can also join our ICANN lectures as currently going both physical and online. Anywhere you are covered by us of accountants. So my name remains James Olashori, and let's go there. So this time around we want to create tax ID, but the tax ID we want to create is not for a company, but it's for individual. Okay, like myself and yourself. Okay, our tax ID. And don't forget, the tax is the individual tax, that is the pay as you earn tax ID, is paid based on where you live. So if you live in Lagos State, your tax will be paid to Lagos State. If you live in Ogun State, your tax will be paid in Ogun State. But the one I want to create is just LRS, that's Lagos State Internal Revenue Service. And let's go there. I will show. Use any web browser, okay, that you can lay your hands on, but I will be using Chrome. I believe everyone can see my screen now. So everyone can see my screen now. So this is Chrome. Okay, so click on e-tax, but the full email address is etax.lirs.net/login/ okay. So it will bring you to this particular platform. I believe everybody can see my screen. So it will bring you to this platform, and from here you can see forgot tax ID, forgot password. This is where to recover all those information. But at this time we want to create new tax ID. So just click on new tax ID. The other one is verify a tax clearance certificate. This is where you can verify if your tax clearance is fake or original. Or you can as well look at it if everything is all right with what you have. So let's go there, create a new tax ID. So I'm going to click on that. And once I click on that, you can see it will bring me to this platform, or we call it surface. So I will click on individual because I'm creating tax for individual. Then you can choose either of the two, either BVN or your NIN. So just put the details, your number. Once you click on that, I think I prefer NIN, so I will select NIN. So I will enter my information, the NIN number. I will put them here. So once I'm done with that, I will put the date, but make sure the date you have is the same thing you have on the NIN. Okay, there should not be anything like discrepancy in that information. So if it is 2021, you select 2021. Okay, select 2021. If it is March, you select March. Okay, then after March, you select the dates, maybe 4th, 3rd, whichever way, you are good to go. So once that information has been filled up, okay, and you think you have seen and everything is correct, you click on I am not a robot, and it will tick OK. Once this OK, click on proceed. When you click on proceed, it will take you to the next page, just 2 pages. So it will take you to the next page where you are going to fill all the details. And at the top of it, you are going to see your NIN is verified. So if you have a tax ID before, it will tell you that you have a tax ID. But if it has not been created before, and that is the first time, and your NIN is correct, everything you put there is correct, it will verify. Once it's verified, then it will bring you to this next level. Okay, so it will bring you to this next level, which is the next page. And because your NIN you put there is correct, the name on that NIN or BVN will show here automatically, and the date of birth as well will show here automatically. So you can just change your title, Mr., Mrs., Miss, whichever it is for you. You can as well change the other names. So put your other name if you have other name. Then your email address is compulsory because that is where they are going to send that e-tax to. Okay, the tax ID to, that's what they're going to say. You have to put a correct tax email address. Your phone number is also has to be correct. Then from there you can choose your marital status, single, married, divorce, whichever way. If you're a public servant, you pick yes. If you're a private, you pick no. Okay, your nationality, if you're in Nigeria, you select Nigeria or any other country. There's a drop down that you are going to select there. Then we have business type. You can choose education, you can choose agriculture. It depends on the sector you are working on. Okay, just select that. Then occupation, it depends on the designation in that organization. Maybe you are working as an accountant, as auditor, whatever. You are free to choose that. Then the number, street number. If you are living in number 5, number 7, number 10, you just type that in there. Then the street name, you also type it. Bagada Phase 1 or anywhere you are, you select that. Then your states, if you are in Lagos State, you select Lagos State. Your local government area, if it is Etiosa, you select Etiosa. If your local government development area, that is LCDA, is Etiosa as well, you choose the Etiosa. Anywhere you know that you stay, you have to know that area. Then your last file number is not compulsory, it's an optional. With that last file number, you will still be able to create your tax ID. Your gender, either female or male, you select. Okay, then search business type. If you are into education, agriculture, whichever way, you also have to select here. Then here, your search for tax station. Okay, so if your taxation is a VI, Victoria Island 1, Victoria Island 2, Victoria Island 3, and then you can as well choose other tax office that you want. It depends on which one you want to choose. Okay, and that is just a free answer. So once you are sure that you have inputted, you have already put all your information, you have filled up all your information, then you select or you click on submit. So once you click on submit, you will see at the top corner, it will show that your tax ID have been generated, and it will show you the tax ID. You may write it down. Don't bother yourself. If you're unable to write that number before the thing disappear, once everything is it will be loading. So once that loading is completed, it will still bring that tax ID back to you. So you will be able to copy it completely at ease. You copy it very slowly, and then that's all. It's very simple. Within 5 minutes, you can create tax ID. You understand? So it looks very difficult before, but when you just share the knowledge, everybody will. So that's just it. It's simple to create. And if you like this video, you can just give me a thumbs up and then share with your friends and colleagues, and tell your colleagues and your friend about Ask of Accountant, so that they can also benefit from all these free trainings and then all our lectures and then every other thing. So thank you so much. My name remains Olashore James, and God bless you. Take care. Cash you.